You all right, team? At the plot, I'm on plot 26 today. Got my delivery of straw bales coming tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear all the beds that I want to put the straw bales on today. It's only going to take me 20 minutes, if that. Not much left growing, really. Got the odd cabbage here and there. I'm not going to move the old straw into the place where they're going to be a mulch yet. I'm going to concentrate on getting ready for the next lot. So isn't he? I mean, I'm going to put. I think I'm going to put 10 bales up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So it's going to be all down this side here. Let me show you. Crikey, that is a change in the weather. I'll tell you, that is absolutely brass monkey weather. Jesus, whew, that's howling up the valley. Right. So like I say, I'm going to leave the straw for now. 2 going to go here. 2 new bales. 2 here. 2 here, so that's 2, 4, 6. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's all crikey. 2, 2, 2, 2, so that's 4, and 2 there. So all this lot's coming up. I got a little bit of purple sprouting left, but I can do without that. This frame's got to go. Yeah, I'll tell you what I'll do, guys. I'm going to just show you my before and after, because gee, yeah. I'll end up concentrating too much on filming and less on working, so and it always the way. Well, that didn't take long at all. It looks a mess still, of course it does, but it's all been like a bit of chop and drop, and the big stuff I put into a bag to go and put in my compost bins. So the bales will go on top of all that cut off grass, all cut off. Look, I mean, it's not, you know. Yeah, so 2 there, 4 there, 2 there, and 2 there. That's it, yeah, brilliant. And all that straw will be mulched, like I said, and that'll be going mostly down this side, which is a dumping ground at the moment, because I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. I've got nothing to put in at the moment, apart from onions. Got to clear that bed there soon as well. Got to clear that one. That's it, so I'll quick look down the other plot from up here, have aerial view without using a drone. Ouch. There we are. So, when the bales come tomorrow, 20 or 22 of them, I'm going to put them between the hexagonal bed and the compost bin just there. I got a polythene sheet to go on top of them in case it rains, which it most likely will. And I'm going to try putting some in those beds there. 8 up here, or 10 up here, so that's 10, might be 480. We'll see how it goes. And then I've got to build the rest of the beds. And can't quite see them there. See those 2 big logs? I'm going to drill some holes in there for minor bees or wood bees or wood wasps or whatever, you know. Got to do a little bit for nature, haven't you? Okay, well that's me up here today. Catch you soon. Let's show the rain gauge. And we've had some rain. Can you see that? It says 3mm, and that's 3mm per metre squared. So yeah, 3mm rain. Pretty handy. I'm going to have to get a better thing to hold it at the top because it wobbles a bit, but that's for the future. You alright, mate? It's just before that green bin, is that alright?
Yeah, sure.
Bit awkward, I know. Yeah, I got a big polythene sheet to go over them, because no matter my luck, it's bound to bloody rain, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
That's fine.
Hurry on, mate.
It take 5 minutes, is it? Here we are then, all wrapped up for the night. I'll do. Get a few down tomorrow. Get a few in place, not many though. I'll cover the rest up again. Just gonna go where are we? Let's go and get those risings off the grass there. I've paid for them, they're mine. Right guys, that's me, I'm going now.